In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a macro in LibreOffice. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks or enhance your productivity, learning to record a macro in LibreOffice can be a game changer. Let's dive in and see how you can easily accomplish this. First things first, you'll want to open LibreOffice on your computer. You can do this by simply clicking on the LibreOffice icon on your desktop or searching for it in your applications menu. If you haven't installed LibreOffice yet, make sure to download and install it from the official website. Once you have LibreOffice open, you're ready for the next steps. Now look toward the top left corner of the LibreOffice interface and click on the Tools menu. The Tools menu is like your gateway to all the powerful features that LibreOffice offers, including macros. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Macros. This is where the magic happens. By selecting macros, you're telling LibreOffice that you're interested in working with automated tasks. After clicking on macros, another menu will appear. From this new set of options, select Run Macro. This might sound a bit confusing since we're looking to record a macro, not run one just yet, but bear with me. Clicking Run Macro will bring up a dialog that shows you all the available macros you might have, and it's also the starting point for recording new ones. With the Run Macro dialog open, you now have a list of existing macros displayed. But since we're focusing on recording a new macro, you'll want to look for the Run button. Click on Run to initiate the macro recording process. This step is crucial because it sets up LibreOffice to start capturing your actions for the macro. And that's it. You're now ready to perform any tasks you want to be recorded in your macro. Remember, the actions you take from this point are what LibreOffice will record, so proceed with the tasks you will want to automate. Once you're finished, you can stop recording and your macro will be saved for future use. Recording macros can significantly enhance your workflow by automating repetitive tasks. So take some time to explore and experiment with this powerful feature in LibreOffice. If you're new to macros, start with simple tasks, and as you become more comfortable, you can move on to more complex sequences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to record a macro in LibreOffice. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of your software tools. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy automating!